now.
The President, has he joined, President?
Percent Professor Paras, I will join. Firstly, uh, I requested Professor Dr. Pina to
Yes, I've seen.
preside over today's session,
Mhm.
but he told that his son has come from USA, and on the 7th itself, he is to leave for USA. So he told that please excuse this time, and in future he will be with us. So in the last time, last moment, I requested Professor Paras Rai
Mhm.
to act as the president. So he will be joining. The patron Professor Rana Pratap is here. So with the kind permission, Madam Convener can start it.
Yes, we should start now.
Thank you, sir. With my sincere prayers to Almighty and His blessings to one and all present here, we are indeed happy to have our 64th episode online lecture series on founders and makers of modern geography in India, organized by Institute for Environmental Research and Rural Development, Patna. The present episode is devoted to Honorable Professor Prem Shankar Tiwari, sir, retired from Department of Geography, Madras University, Chennai, Tamil, and former president of Institute of Indian Geographers, Pune, and National Association of Geographers, India, and awardee of Bhugol Vachaspati from Nag. We have with us Honorable Professor Rana Tatab, sir, as patron of the episode from Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Namaste, sir. And very soon, President Professor Dr. Paras Rai from Ara, Bihar would be joining. I would now request Dr. Geeta Madam from Chennai to propose welcome address. Dr. Geeta Madam, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of the Institute of Environmental Research and Rural Development, Patna, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to the August gathering at the 64th episode of the online lecture series on founders and makers of modern geography in India. Today's episode is devoted to Professor P.S. Tiwari, an eminent geographer, former president of both the Indian Institute of Geographers and National Association of Geographers, India. And he is a recipient of the prestigious Bhugol Vachaspati Award. His scholarly contributions and academic leaderships have left an indelible mark on the discipline of geography in India. We truly honored by the gracious presence of our patron of the episode, Professor Rana Pratap, distinguished academician and former president of NAGI. We extend a heartfelt welcome to our president, Dr. P. Nag, former surveyor India of General of India, and one of the most respected names in the field of geography. Just a second. Very special welcome to our chief guest, Professor K. Kumaraswamy, Professor Emeritus, eminent geographer, and President-elect of NAGI. I also warmly welcome our distinguished guests, Professor R.S. Yadav, our special guest, Professor Noor Mohammed, Professor Vinod Kumar Bharadwaj, and our guest of honor, Professor Usha Jain and Professor Sarfaj Safar Raj Ashgar. We are indeed privileged to have us with Dr. Sri Kumar Chattopadhyay, past president of NAGI, who will be delivering today's lecture. A special word of welcome to our esteemed observers from Saga, distinguished scholars representing Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Afghanistan. Your presence truly enriches this international academic platform. I also take this opportunity to warmly welcome our respected intercessor, Professor Devraj P. Singh, the convener, Professor S. V. Chavan, our organizing secretaries, Dr. Amrish Ambarish Kumar Rai, sorry, and Dr. Amit Kumar, and our technical support lead, Dr. Dev Prakash. Finally, I extend my sincere warm welcome to all the participants, research scholars, and colleagues who have joined us this evening. Your engagement and encouragement makes the series meaningful and vibrant. With these words, I once again extend a cordial welcome to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Professor Gita Madam, for your warm welcome address to one and all. Thanks a lot. God bless us. I would now like to invite our honorable and respected Dr. Sri Kumar Chattopadhyay, sir, a speaker of the session. We are really honored and blessed, sir, to have you with us on this platform. Chattopadhyay, sir, is one of the most eminent and popular geographer in India, and he would be delivering the session on Professor P.S. Tiwari, sir. Professor Sri Kumar, sir, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Professor Chavan, Professor Rana Pratap, Professor Devendra Singh, Professor Kumar Shami, delegates from the neighboring countries and the members of the Saga, and my fellow colleagues. I think this is the second time I will be speaking on this session. I think I spoke about my teacher, Professor Bakshi, and I'm really honored that Professor Tiwari, in fact, to deliver this lecture on Professor Tiwari. I'm not a direct student of him, but he was my teacher again for many other things, because all the time when we are in Kerala, almost my entire service period is in Kerala, so we had a very close interaction with the Madras University. Professor Tiwari, Professor Ramesh, they're very close to our institute, and they served in many different committees, so we know them for a pretty long time. So when in fact, Professor Devendra Singh requested me that I should speak about Professor Tiwari, then I thought, okay, fine. It's also one of the way to pay my respect to the senior geographers with whom we have very long interaction. Now, let me go to the slides straight away.